Are you willing to build a brand presence in social media platforms? Social media marketing helps your business to reach targeted market through exhibition, loyalty building, and understand customers' behavior. It will help your brand to reach your potential customers through social media optimization. But where to avail effective social media marketing services near me? Contact Zebra Techie Solution. It is one of the top-rated digital marketing company in India, helps you to boost your business by social media platforms. Their team of knowledgeable and experienced social media marketers is well equipped to understand your need and accordingly plan effective SMM strategy for high worth return in long run. They always use innovative techniques and advanced software applications to get better user experience. Their customized social media marketing services offerings are social networking site marketing strategy that includes SNS pick and use, plan your blog campaign, aggressive campaign on blogs, online brand promotion programmers, blogger programmers, positioning and repositioning strategy depending on your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Contact them right away by dialing +91 943 292 9492. Browse through https://zebratechies.com to know more.